In order to modify or edit any of my geometry, I need to select the geometry I want to work with first. Then the Modify panel is displayed, giving me access to all the tools available for that particular object. These are all just as precise as the desktop versions, though slightly different in their execution. For example, to use the Offset tool, I'll tap the tool, then place my finger on the screen and drag in the direction I want to offset. The measurements are displayed here. When I raise my finger, I can tap the measurement and enter in a more precise value. I can also use tools like Trim by selecting the cutting lines first, clicking on the tool, and then clicking on the line segment that I want to remove. These tools should feel familiar if slightly revised for tablet use.